Hi, I'm Miss Dara from the Rogers Public Library, and today we're going to do our last Sublime Slime of the summer. That doesn't mean that we're not going to do more slime, but it's the last one for the summer program. So today we are doing our slime kit that you can pick up at the library. So if you haven't picked it up yet, you can still pick it up. So it will just be all in a cup, and I'll show it to you in just a minute. So the first thing that's in the kit, actually, here's my kit. So in your kit, you're gonna find a Model Magic, a thing of glue, a baggie with liquid starch in it, and a spoon. And you can make it all in your cup. So that is what the slime kits are gonna look like. And all the Model Magic, some of them are different than others. Some of them are red, yellow, or blue, and there are some that's gonna be white. So if you get a white one, you're gonna need to find some food coloring. So to do your thing. So first things first, you get out your bottle of glue and you want to just pour as much of the glue into your bowl or your cup as you can do. So we just kind of shake it out of there and get as much out as you can get. And I think I just got it all over my hand. Okay, there's my glue. And I don't know how old my bottle was, but it had separated a little bit. And then you want to add in, with your liquid starch, it's going to be in a baggie. So you're going to want to add in like just about half of it. So, and I'm going to actually do it out of the bag so that you guys can see that way. Actually, before we do that, you probably want to put color in it if you need color. So if you have colored Model Magic, you don't really want to color the slime. That's just if you have white. So mine is going to be green. And you want to remember that if you're adding white Model Magic to it, you want to make your color darker because once you add the white, it will lighten it. So we're going to make mine a little bit darker than that. Stir that all in. And then add in your about half of your liquid starch. That up. If you have scent at home, you can add scent to it before you add in your liquid starch. But if you don't, it works just as well without it. So you just stir this in and it starts kind of gooping together. Just keep stirring. So remember our slime rules. If you've been watching all summer, then you already know all these, but we never put slime on anybody or anything that you don't want it to stay on. If you do get this slime on anything, then it will have Model Magic in it, so you're gonna want to use peroxide to get it out. So, but my kids play with their slime at the kitchen table so that they don't get it on anything that can't be just washed off. So as you see, this slime is starting to come together here. I'm gonna need to add a little bit more liquid starch to it. And you might have liquid starch left over, and that's okay. Try to get as much out of your cup or bowl as you can. So once you can touch it and it doesn't stick to you, then you can start working it together. And if it kind of strings like this, you just kind of wrap those ends inside the middle and keep stretching it out, and it will work in it to itself. grab these other pieces that are in the bottom. So you don't really want your slime to go down the drain. So either scrape out your cup or just throw away the cup. But if you're making it in a bowl you want to keep, then you want to just scrape it all out before you wash it. Okay, so this one actually is coming together really good. Okay, there we go. So that one's good. And so then once you get to this step, you can just take your Model Magic and open it up. And my hands are slippery now. So you just open this up. And if you need scissors to cut that open, you can use scissors too. And then you want to kind of warm the Model Magic up a little bit. So we're just going to start stretching it and working it out here so that it gets a little bit warm, a little bit more pliable. And when you add it in, you can add in part of it, or you can just add in the whole thing. It's kind of up to you. So we're going to add part of it in first and see how it does, and then maybe add the rest of it. So you just kind of put it in there and just kind of start stretching it in there. I think I'm going to just go ahead and add the rest into mine. You kind of have to work it in until it all gets mixed in really, really good. And this slime isn't too sticky, so it's a nice one if you have little kids that are doing it. If you get it on something, then just use peroxide. Sometimes you have to put it like on a paper towel or something and set it over wherever you got it and let it kind of sit and soak. And then you can just scrub it up and it'll come right up. So there we go. There is my slime. It's pretty well mixed in. It stretches nicely here. It will tear apart, but it's really moldable and really feels nice. So there you go. Well, thanks for joining me for Sublime Slime. And just keep watching our videos. We're going to do more videos and a few more slime ones, I think, this fall. So just join us and we'll see you then. Bye.